arukuhereza ico kureberaho cyo mushomeso yihanikiro mu district ya Ibanda habwe bizubu ku murenga Bishop nagira ngo abantu bine kwicereza ruhango mitima yabo na no kugira amasiko na no kugumisiriza ahabwo kubaruhanga na amanyakurongora.
He was not paid his salary. I think he said when he went home, perhaps the wife said, we hear you work. Where is Christmas? We have not. The man must have been in trouble. What the man did, he went to the school where he was working. He hanged himself in the compound. Oxford Secondary School, he ran. It's a true story. He hanged himself. Let us be careful also in relationships. Let us not be quick in judging or even blaming. You never know. This person might be having real, genuine problems, and some people don't know how to express their problems. So he thought that is the solution.
Oguhona yashaba abantu kureka kugaya abantu bahansi kwihaho bagume no babatekatekaho ngo ahabwo kube kintu cyo kugaya nico kikwija kikabitsa mani
nece kintu cyo kugaya ngo tukine mani kibasa kugira mani kandi cyo ntimanyisa ngo tuongere kushaba Kristo Lazaro wo mitima y'abantu babase kumuhereza umwanya tugire mitima mirungi amaka yongere kubaje abo kubebere ibintu reba ngo abantu nagwe sente kuzikanyire abashija n'abakazi amakaga yongera gutana.
Kanono Reverend Bob Zinathan Mwesije Orden wa Cathedral hona yayore kushasha ahabwa amakaga rumunagafa bwanyuma yo mubaro gw'abashwerine abaru kubashikira kwenda ngo babatanise okweyonzera.
For me, I have experienced many people, many women coming down asking for marriage certificates. When I ask them, they say, we are going to divorce. No. That one is not good. So we appreciate Jesus Christ being born for us so that he gives us peace, more especially in our homes.
Omakura gandi Minister w'ibyamakoro n'obushobozi Francis Mwebesa obwariyo mu kitambo cya misanya mitanga yashaba abantu okwerinda enguzi
abashaba kwibyo mbazo marwaro abashaba batakukora obuzoma kizika gabo n'imwe byo nibyo. That is where the corruption is at worst of all things. The government is going to fight. I just want to warn my brothers so that please also the good citizens should help the other ones to report these people.
Estambo cha misa cyayebemberwa ishabari saramba tibino mugisha kandi yahabura abantu okumanya ngo mujuni Yesu akazarwa kucyungurensi. Yashaba bazire okumanya ngo bashemerire kunda ruhanga na no kumwesimisa obwe barukoreka abana babo nabo kumanya ruhanga. Okushaba kwahikwaho na speaker w'ambarura site Bonnet Ashobya kandi yahagire cyo kurwana senguzi.
Noza kushanga umuntu abire afunomurumo omyaka ebiri ore nayombeka ekizimbe ekikukira ebindi byona hatoze ibuza ezo yaziyanga.
Amakuru agagasha kwa na Good Fatima na Ali Wasu.